Hello everyone, so the first thing you want to do is you want to find the slope. To find the slope, you have to plug in these values into this equation. So once you plug in those values, you should get this, and then since it's x squared, you want to factor it out so you can cancel and then get the slope. So this is what you get when you factor, and then you want to cancel these out, and you're left with x plus 4. And then for x, you plug in the x value, which is this 4 up here. So then it would be 4 plus 4, which equals 8. And 8 will be our slope that we plug into this next equation. This is the next equation we'll use right here. And then we plug in the values. So m is the slope, which would be 8 right here. And then the same x1 and y1. And then we solve. Once you solve, you should get this for the equation of the tangent line.
Okay, so for problem 2, we have to find the 6 trigonometric functions corresponding to this value, pi over 6. And we know that pi, oh, that's not a good pi, but pi equals 180 in this case. So, alright, so I did a little work off camera, as y'all can see, and so all I did was I divided it by 6 because that's the original equation, and that comes out to 30 degrees. So I gave a little visual right here with the 60-30 with the right angle, and I also wanted to remind us of the SOHCAHTOA rule because this will help us with these. And basically for all of these, we're just going to plug in cosine and pi over 6 over all of them and then solve them that way. Alright, so for cosine, this would equal this rule, adjacent over hypotenuse, which would be n, just write 3 squared over 2n, and then you just cancel out the n's right there, and you'd be left with 3 squared over 2, over 2, and oh my god, and that would be the answer for this one. And then sine is opposite over adjacent.